welcome to Trader Training Tuesdays. We're the traders in training. I'm Cheryl and I major in linguistics.
I'm Mike and I major in sociology. So we've been working here for a while, well, me longer than her, and we think that Andy's job is actually pretty easy, right? So all he does is he looks at a few lines and then he guesses a price and then expects everyone to follow him. So we said that we could do his job and he said...
Sure, go ahead.
So he kindly prepared some slides. So he said that he has not left anything out of these slides. If we read these slides, we should be able to know everything that he does. And then after we finish learning it, see if it's really as easy as we think.
Yep. So let's just
get down to it.
Yep. What is a chart?
Okay, what are the axes for? So if you didn't know, axes are plural for axis. Yes?
Yes. And the x-axis is the time and the y-axis is the price.
You mean horizontal and vertical, yes?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
So how to adjust the time frame? Select the button at the top left hand corner, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily or weekly. I'm going to assume that's just up to personal preference.
Yep.
So if I'm trading shorter, I'll use shorter.
1 hour or 4 hours?
Okay.
No?
I actually don't know.
Yeah, we're training.
Okay, how to adjust zoom?
Scroll your mouse.
That seems
Okay.
a bit common sense. Told you it was easy.
How to find pairings? At the top right hand corner for Coinergy, type in BTC and select the respective exchange.
Okay, I'm assuming that we'll find out what happens when we go to Coinbase.
Yep.
Okay, next.
What are candles?
Okay. Candlestick charting was used in Japan during the 18th century for trading rice when rice was the medium of exchange. Okay, sounds troublesome. Okay, candlestick charting has been used for a long time in Japan but was only adopted in the Western countries in 1991. That's quite some time back actually. 27 years is my birth year. Damn it, Cheryl.
I mean,
Yes.
how do you read candles?
No, what are candles?
Do we already know? Oh, what are candles?
Oh,
How to read them?
okay, shadow, body, etc. Okay.
So if we look at the bottom image,
Okay, open or closing price. Open or closing price. Okay, great, that's helpful. Yeah, I'm going to assume that white is open below, close on top.
and the
Black is
is
open
the
on top, close below. Okay, upper shadow is the highest, lower shadow is the lowest price.
Yep.
Same for both.
And there is a body for both, right?
Yes.
Body.
Okay. Okay, body is black or red if we close lower. Body is white or green if we close higher. Okay, easy. Next.
Whoa.
Okay, we can't memorize this because it's not testing your memory, so we're just going to take a picture of it. Okay. Very good. Okay, this will be our cheat sheet now.
Wait, so some candles don't have bodies. Look at the doji.
Okay, doji has no body. Dragonfly doji has no upper wick and no body. Gravestone has no lower wick and no body. Yes.
And so I guess the wicks are not always there. If you look at the others, like the inverted hammer and the inverted hammers
Okay.
and the hanging man.
I guess that means that the opening price is the same as the highest price. Or lowest price. Or both.
We'll
Okay.
see.
Okay. Next.
A spinning top. So there are two kinds. There's a bullish spinning top and there's a bearish spinning top. And I guess we can tell which one it is from the color. So if it's white, it's bullish. If it's red or
It's
black, it's
bearish.
bearish. Okay.
Easy.
What does it do?
It indicates a strong fight going on between bulls and bears. So the bulls are giving it their all, as are the bears. Nobody has won the fight yet, so the candle closes near to its open price. Near to its open price. Okay, so opening is below, closing is on top. Okay, so small body. Then take a look at the spinning top above for clearer explanation. Okay, it's basically the same words lah, so I don't understand what's the point. Okay, next, within a trend, a spinning top indicates indecision. Spinning tops are important in predicting reversals as they often occur when a trend is dying out.
So I guess if we see a spinning top, then we might expect a reversal. So change in colors? Does it?
Change in color. Yes, ish. I think.
I don't know.
Oh, this is the one we saw. No body.
Doji. Dojis come in different shapes and forms, but they all share the same trait of having no body. This means that the opening and closing prices are the same.
Exactly the same.
It is also an indecision pattern, and it's similar to a spinning top. So when you see a doji on your chart, it means that there's a strong fight going on between the bears and the bulls. So it's the same as a swing top. And
It's exactly the same as a spinning top.
really? Wait,
Yeah. See, spinning tops are important for predicting reversals, as they often occur when the trend is dying out. Next. Yeah, reversal occurs in the
indicate
trend.
indecision and possible reversals.
There
Okay.
we go. Genius. Linguistics.
Reversal candles. Reversal candles.
Small lower wick, small bearish body, large upper wick.
So I guess
the
there's
one on
a
the
left. Yeah.
Okay.
And
At some point when the candle was open, the bulls tried to push the price up, but they failed and then they closed lower than the opening.
that's why there's a long upper wick.
Yes, and that's
and
why
a
it
short,
is
small
bearish.
lower wick. I'm guessing that wick means shadow, right? It's the same
Yeah.
thing, right? I guess.
Synonymous.
Okay.
That's what they said in the slide.
Oh. Okay.
Uh-huh. Okay. Large lower wick, small bullish body, small upper wick. So I'm guessing this is the opposite. It means the bears tried to push it down, but
Yep.
the bulls managed to close it above the opening price.
Yes.
Easy peasy.
Reversal candles part 2. Right?
Okay. So hammer, inverted hammer, hanging man, shooting star. Okay, let me double check if these were in the previous cheat sheet. Hanging man, hammer, inverted hammer, shooting star. Yes, they're all here.
Okay.
Oh wait, except for shooting star.
There, it's not. Okay.
It is not. Okay, so we just memorize shooting star. Means
So
at the
it-
top of a trend, a bearish candle. No, a bearish spinning top.
Bearish. It's not a spinning top.
Oh no,
As-
it's not a spinning top.
Yeah,
It's-
because the shadow, one of the shadows is twice the height of its body.
Okay, so it's an inverted hammer, but it's red and it's at the top of a trend.
And it indicates that.
They're all indicating reversals.
Oh yeah.
Next.
Oh. No. Okay. Let's do
Okay,
this.
number 1.
Is
Okay, I can't really see it, so can you describe it?
it the green one or the red one? Oh, it's the red one. So
Okay.
it has a mid-sized body
Mid-sized body.
and almost the wicks are almost the same length. So I guess it's a spinning top.
Wicks are almost same length.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm
spinning top.
So first is the spinning top. A bearish spinning top? Does it
I
make
don't think there's such a
matter?
thing as a bearish
I
spinning
don't know.
top.
It's red.
Okay, it's a red spinning top.
Red spinning
Okay.
top.
Number 2.
Oh, I think it's a doji. I can't even see the body. So
Okay, doji is wait, dragonfly, gravestone, or regular?
wait, is it called a doji? I forgot.
The one with no body, right?
Yes.
Here you go.
Doji. Doji.
This
Okay.
is pretty easy.
So the first is the spinning top. Second is the doji.
Doji.
The third one is green.
Okay.
It doesn't seem to have a lower wick, and
Okay.
the upper wick is longish.
Okay. Green, upper wick, longish, fake inverted hammer. Because it's not double.
Yeah. Cause the hammers are twice. Like one of the wicks is twice.
No, one of the wicks is not twice the length of the body. That's why it's not a hammer.
Okay.
Come on, woman, get your English right.
Where are we?
We finished 3.
For
Spinning top, doji, not a real hammer.
Okay. So 4 has a very small body.
Okay.
I can't see the lower wick again. And
So
then there's a very long upper wick.
So inverted hammer.
Yeah, I guess this is the inverted inverted
Inverted
hammer.
hammer.
Number 5.
It's not black, right? It's okay,
It's
it's
not,
inverted
it's not.
hammer. And number 5 just looks like a Marubozu.
It looks like it's no wicks.
Yeah, no wicks.
So it's a block of
Marubozu.
green. Marubozu. Okay, locked in our answers.
Okay, easy. But actually, we don't really know what Marubozu indicates. But based on that, I'm gonna say it's good.
Opening and closing prices are also the highest and the lowest prices. Because there
But
are
what does
no
that mean?
weeks.
Yeah. If Andy didn't put it down, it doesn't matter. Yeah.
Okay, let's check.
Okay. Sorry, what was the answers again?
Where is it? Okay, it was a spinning top,
Okay.
and then
Doji.
it was a doji,
Then not a hammer.
not a hammer, and
Then
then
inverted hammer.
and
Marubozu.
Marubozu.
Okay, easy peasy. Are you ready to see the answers?
Yeah.
Loser treat lunch.
We gave the same answers.
Against Andy.
Oh, loser treats lunch.
Silence is consent.
Okay, let's go.
Spinning top. Yes. Doji. Yes.
Yes.
Fake inverted hammer.
Yes.
Yes. Inverted hammer.
Yes.
Oh, oh. Sometimes we are the smartest people alive.
Oh,
Oh well, I guess this is the end of this is the end of candlesticks and charts. As you can see, it's pretty easy. Hopefully, he gives us more of a challenge in the next one. But as of now, we can call ourselves professional traders. Right?
no, we're still traders in trading
With perfect scores.
with perfect scores for the
perfect
candle quiz.
Okay, see you guys next week.
Bye.